Hey, what's up YouTube and fellow LEGO fanatics? Cool Kid Bricks here with a little mock video of my gun store. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw pictures of it earlier this month, and here I am with a video of it. So go ahead and move my sig fig out of the way. First up, bring it a little bit closer. You got the front entrance, door, some stickers, and some more stickers up here. I got those from ModernBrickWarfare. Go check out their website. They do have an Instagram account as well. So, I'll show you the, well, before I do that, just take you around. Sides. There is no back door. Sign. There is a door up here to access the little roof space up there. And we'll go ahead and take off the top. So, as you can see, this is the top floor, the shooting range. You can see down in there. And I can't get this to focus. You got the stairs going down from there, along with some swords hanging in the display window up here. The shooting range, and if I can lift this portion off. So that part comes off, as you can tell. This does not. This is attached. But this is the downstairs portion. We got a little mannequin with a vest on, and I thought that was pretty cool. We got the display case, which if I can, we got a glass up front. You can see the weapons inside there, and more weapons along the back wall. There's a door that goes in there to the back room, which has a huge ammo case, and inside I also picked this case up from ModernBrickWarfare. If I can get it open with one hand, there we go. And this has a mortar piece, or a mortar gun in there. Do not know why the video will not focus. But alright, so it won't focus. And some mortar shells inside. So anyway, that was an up close look at my gun store mock. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like, subscribe, share, comment, leave some feedback, and it's greatly appreciated. Thank you for subscribing to my channel as well. I recently hit 200 subscribers, and on Instagram I recently hit 300 subscribers, so I really appreciate it. And stay tuned, I will be doing a LEGO giveaway here shortly.